to their website. I'm not going to negotiate.
Hey, buddy. For some reason our little chirpy bird loves taking baths. And he's molting. So he's losing his fledgling baby feathers slowly, one a day, and growing new ones, adult ones. He was doing like that without water, so I got him a bowl, and boy, he jumped right in, and he liked it. He's making it, spreading it around really good. It's getting bigger. Okay. He's in the drying cycle now in the sun for the first time in his life. How do you like it, buddy? He could barely fly. He flew back up out of that little bird bath we had, but he could barely make it up to the couch because he was so wet. Maybe he'll meet some other birds.